guys, it's Mommy Vlogs. Sorry, my mouth looks gross. I just had pizza. I have to start this whole entire haul over because it said I didn't have enough storage on my phone. Ugh. It drives me nuts. So I guess I'm just gonna start on like little things, and then I will tell you where they're from. I have stuff that we bought, stuff that was given for free from like a church, and then a place called Elizabeth Hope. I think it's only where I am from. It might be certain places, but they help with like pregnant women and under 3-year-olds for clothes, diapers, and stuff like that. This is what the stuff that we bought. I'll tell you if we bought them or not. This was $5. It's from the interior, designed by Family Dollar. It's No Beauty Shines Brighter Than the Love of a Mother. I wish I told them this was kind of stained though. There's stain there and over here. I don't know, maybe some of it rubbed off. This feels really flimsy, so I'm gonna have to watch. Then I got this one for my husband. It says, Dad, a son's first hero, a daughter's first love. There's nothing really wrong with this one. Like, it looks pretty good. Then I got the Homeline copper coated like scrubber, has a handle. And then the Value Scrub Sponges 6-pack. They're $1. This is $1 and this was $1. Those were $5 if I didn't say that. This is Kleenex Dish and Sink Brush Scrubber, $1. And then my husband got this. It was a Bluetooth Century Pro Series headset. It was $20, but down to $15. If he really likes it, I could have him maybe review it on here for you guys if you would like to see that. This is a spray bottle, $2. And it says Clean Queen. I'm gonna do how I do my cleaning mixture for my channel, so you guys can see that. Then I got baby ointment. I think that's like $2 or $3. Family Wellness brand. She needed more of it. I got new shoes. These are from Just Be, $10, size 10s. They're so sparkly and like gold and rose gold. Very pretty. Then I got some more home stuff. I got we got toilet paper, then OxiClean. This is the laundry standard mover and more. Needed that. I got this because I'm out of conditioner, Pantene Pro V. This is $3. It's in the shower foam conditioner daily moisture renewal. Hoping it's good. I can do a review after I've used it a little while, and yeah, see if you guys want to try it. Let's see. We got the Homeline 13-gallon drawstring tall trash can bags. There was 56 trash bags. Then I got myself, I've tried the Bounty, the pink, it's a bigger bottle than this, of the hair, skin, and nail gummies. This is the Vita Fusion Gorgeous Hair, Skin, and Nails. Like, you take, it says you take 3 of these a day, which is a crazy amount, but I'm hoping they work because I am sick and tired of my hair. It's actually really short. It's just pinned up. And then I'll start with the clothes and stuff. Got my daughter this Newbie Easy Grip. It's like the 6-month plus sippy cup. It's like a pink or red and yellow sippy. These were $2. And then for now, I got her a toy. I usually get her a toy every little bit so I can like donate one of her toys, or try to. It says Light and Sound. It's electric keyboard. It does work. plays it, like it has the keyboard buttons, this little button. I'm not going to turn it on because it's loud. And then I got two things for her birthday. Her birthday is August 31st. I'll do a haul or a collection of stuff I got her for her birthday in August whenever I get done completely. I might even get done earlier than that. I got this Paw Patrol little like hanging decor item. It was $5. It's canvas art, and it was actually marked down to $3, and it says call the Paw Patrol. I thought it was really pretty. And then I got her this little bag, mini backpack. It was $8. A little pricey, but actually pretty good for a unicorn. It has a little pocket here, and it actually has a pretty good pocket, short straps. This would be nice for the park when we go. I got her two sandals. This is the Kidget brand. These are $5. Critter sandals is what they're called. It's little unicorns. I love these. I thought they were adorable. They're 6 to 12 months. She's currently almost 9 months, so hopefully they fit her nicely. These are Kidget brand, $5. Fur slides. Oh, aren't these cute, guys? Thumbs this video up if you think these are cute. Thumbs them up. Ah! So cute. And then we got her 3 outfits for like spring and summer already, because she doesn't have a lot of like matching outfits or shorts and like t-shirts ish too much. Got her these. This is, I think, yeah, Kidget brand, which they do run kind of small, I've noticed. These are 18 months. They're like, they might be like Pre's style. And Little Mermaid, it has these like little like ball, like, I don't know, balls. I hate to say that word, but. And then I got her this. That was $8. This was $8 too. This was the Nick Jenner Paw Patrol 12 month. I love these little pants. And this little shirt. It says Paw Awesome Pups. It's tied at the bottom. This one's really cute. This was $7. Kidget brand, 12 months. This shirt is cute, sparkly, and it has like a little bow at the back of it. This next stuff is stuff that was from a church that we got for free. It needs to be washed. Old Navy. I'm gonna say the brand, but the age grouping is like 8 to 10. I have like a couple things like 10 to 12. It's all older stuff. It was free, and I'm going to wash them and put them away. And this one's Old Navy, and it's kind of like a bohemian top. And then I got her this Old Navy. I picked it out from church thing. Sparkly. It's like a dress style. It's very heavy. This is by Faded Glory. It's a Walmart sparkly star. And then I loved this. This was from H&M. It has like flies, or I don't know what those are, but very cute and flowy. It's very see-through though. This was from Cherokee brand. I loved the detailing on it. It's very flowy. Then this was from Arizona brand. Very cute. It's very feminine. And then my stepson's grandma gave her a couple items that were his, and then bought her something. This was a 24 month. Says not spoiled, just very well taken care of by grandma. Cute. And then this was Carter's 24 month. I thought this would be cute with a blue or red bow in her head. That would really be cute. This is what she got her, Okie Dokie brand. It's very old style. I'm hoping it fits. It looks a little small. These next items were from a church. Old Navy again. Yes, it is a bigger size, but I put them up again. Like I said, I stock up. Hanes. I loved the feeling of this shirt or sweatshirt. This is from the Disney. I think it had a shirt with it, but the shirt wasn't there. And then this top is from Old Navy. I love the bottom. And then this was by Nautica. It does have a little bit of stainage, but it should come clean. It's from Faded Glories at Walmart. Plaid, like legging pant style. And then these other items are, let me actually get all the items that were from the church. Okay, these are from the church again. Hayden Girls. I don't know if you guys ever heard of that. This is like very old fashioned but cute. This is from the Disney line, camo pants. My husband is really big into camo. Then this shirt is from Arizona. I love the design and the color. This was from the holiday edition, so I think this is a nighttime shirt. It didn't come with the pants. It's very like worn a little bit, like you can tell, but it just says elf size. She can wear this as a bedtime shirt for just like maybe a month, but it was free. A couple other things was my stepson and his grandma gave to her. This was from Jumping Bean, 12 months home sweet home. We live in Ohio, if you guys were wondering. I'm not telling you what city. Carter's 12 months is blank white onesie. And then this was a matching outfit from Chickpea. 18 months, has pelicans on it. I thought it was pretty cute. The rest of the stuff is from a place that helps with kids in need and also moms that are pregnant. I got her a couple things from there. Oshkosh, it's a 12-month, and I loved the sleeves. That'd be cute with a pair of jeans. Then I got her this cute little Carter set. It's a skirt, and it's a 12-month, so I loved the little bows. This one is a weird odd set, but I don't know, it's Stephen Baby or something. It says 6 to 12. Little pants, the patchwork on the knee, it's cute. And a long sleeve. She needs to wear this very soon before she grows out of it. This little set, Cherokee 9 months, little jeans, love the design. And then Gymboree 6 to 12. They have this as a matching pair. It's actually a really cute matching pair. And this other set is a four-piece set. It's adorable. I'm hoping she fits it. Let's see. It is by the brand Baby Starters. 12-month. Daisies. I'm hoping it fits. She's a big baby, so be happy and smile. So you can actually wear this 3 different ways. That bright yellow and the little skirt is very cute. Then they gave us these little Journey thick and coated baby wipes and a package of Love's 5 diapers. And again, I got I'm going shopping tomorrow. I'm going to Salvation Army. She needs like tank tops and like more fitted shirts, and also shorts that are like plain, and also pants that are plain that can fit her now. she has all printed, so that will be tomorrow's video that I might do. I might wait until Friday to actually film it, but I hope you guys like this video. Hit the notification bell so you guys know when I upload, and to watch my videos, subscribe, because you'll get more hauls. I do like 2 hauls, maybe 3 a month. I try not to do more than that. But if you guys want reviews on certain items, please tell me in the comments. And if you want to see pictures of my daughter wearing some of these clothes, especially the Daisy outfits, please follow me on my social media. It'll be down in the description. It's usually mommy vlogs. I have it always linked in the description box, so you guys don't have to worry. Like, so you guys can see more, but also comment and tell me other videos or things that maybe I should change, like video content, and maybe there's something else that you would want to see. I'm open to anything. I'm working on thinking about doing my labor and delivery story, and also like how I was when I was pregnant, because I really didn't film or do anything when I was pregnant, and I don't really talk about my labor and delivery stories to too many people, so I will be doing that very soon. Hopefully, I have to plan it out, but if you guys want to see that, like or comment below, or you can also see me on Twitter and Instagram to tell me. I hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe, and comments. See you guys later.